Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to showcase your social content directly in your email campaigns, making them more engaging and visually appealing for your subscribers. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, press Enter to access the site. You'll land on the Mailchimp homepage where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns and automation. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. This will prompt you to enter your Mailchimp credentials, so go ahead and sign in with your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your campaigns. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard on the left navigation panel. Locate and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, both active and draft. From the list of campaigns displayed, find and click on the project name of the template you want to edit. This will open up that specific campaign for modification. After selecting your campaign, click on Edit Design. This action takes you into the email content editor where you can customize the layout, text, images, and other elements of your email. The editor is your creative workspace for building engaging email content. Now look at the left menu where you'll see an Add Content section. From here, search for the option named Social and drag it onto your canvas. This block is specifically designed to integrate social media elements into your email, making it easy to connect your audience with your social platforms. At this point, you have two options to choose from. You can either add your social links into each icon by selecting the follow type. This option is ideal if you simply want recipients to follow your social media accounts directly from the email. However, if you wish to add actual social media content, select the share option instead. This allows you to embed specific posts or feeds from your social platforms, giving your email a more dynamic and interactive feel. Once you've selected share, find the content to share URL field and click on its drop-down menu. From the options presented, select custom URL. This gives you the flexibility to specify exactly which content you want to display in your email. Next, on the social links section, click on its drop-down to select which social media platform you wish to share content from. Mailchimp provides several popular options, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. Choose the platform that aligns with your content strategy.